everyone, welcome back to Easy Byte. In this video, we are covering the top 50 linked list MCQs, perfect for interviews, coding rounds, and quick revision. We will be covering MCQs on all DSA topics in upcoming videos, so make sure to subscribe and stay tuned. Let's get started. What is linked list? Options are a linear array, a collection of nodes connected by pointers, LIFO structure, an index-based list. Option B is correct. A linked list is a collection of nodes connected by pointers. Which of the following data structure is linear? Options are binary tree, graph, linked list, and heap. Option C is correct. Linked list is a linear data structure. A linked list node can be implemented using options are struct, class, both A and B, and none of the above. Option C is correct. Linked list node can be implemented using struct or classes. Which is not an advantage of linked list over arrays? Options are dynamic size, efficient memory uses, random access, and easy insertion or deletion. Option C is correct. Linked list doesn't support random access like arrays. When would you use a linked list over an array? Options are when random access is needed, when size is fixed, when frequent insertion or deletions are needed, and when memory is limited. Option C is correct. Linked lists are better when frequent insertion or deletions are needed. Which of the following is not a type of linked list? Options are singly linked list, doubly linked list, circular linked list, and binary linked list. Option D is correct. Binary linked list is not a valid linked list type. In a singly linked list, each node contains options are data only, pointer only, data and one pointer, and data and two pointer. Option C is correct. Singly linked list node contain data and one pointer. Which operation is not efficient in a singly linked list? Options are insertion at head, deletion at head, traversal, and insertion at tail. Option D is correct. Inserting at tail in singly linked list is less efficient. What is a head of a linked list? Options are last node, middle node, first node, and none. Option C is correct. The head is the first node in a linked list. In a circular singly linked list, how do we stop traversal? Options are when pointer is null, after n steps, when pointers equals head again, and after timeout. Option C is correct. In circular list, traversal end when the pointer equals head again. A linked list in which none of the nodes contains a null pointer is. Options are singly linked list, doubly linked list, circular linked list, and none of the above. Option C is correct. Circular list has no null pointer. How is the end of a singly linked list typically marked? Options are -1 index, null pointer, 0 data value, and circular reference. Option B is correct. The end is marked with a null pointer. What happens if we access a node after freeing it? Options are null, segmentation fault, last node, and new node. Option B is correct. Accessing a freed node leads to segmentation fault. Which algorithm is not feasible on a linked list? Options are linear search, merge sort, insertion sort, binary search. Option D is correct. Binary search is not feasible on a linked list. Which are applications of a linked list? Options are implementing file system, chaining in hash table, binary tree implementation, and all of the above. Option D is correct. Linked lists are used in many applications like file system and trees. Which is used to traverse a linked list? Options are loop, recursion, both A and B, and none. Option C is correct. Both loop and recursion can traverse a linked list. Which problem can be solved using two pointers? Options are detect cycle, find intersection, find middle, and all of the above. Option D is correct. Two pointers technique helps in cycle detecting, finding middle, etc. Which sorting algorithm can be applied to linked list? Options are merge sort, insertion sort, quick sort, and all of the above. Option D is correct. Many sorting algorithm works with linked list. Which is not a valid use case for a linked list? Options are undo functionality, dynamic memory allocation, binary search, and polynomial arithmetic. Option C is correct. Binary search requires random access, which linked list lack. Circular linked list is useful in options are queues, games, OS task scheduling, and all of the above. Option D is correct. Circular linked lists are useful in queue, games, and operating system scheduling. Which is true about circular linked list? Options are cannot be traversed, has no start, has no end, and cannot be modified. Option C is correct. Circular linked list has no end. If head pointer is null, the list is options are circular, doubly, empty, and sorted. Option C is correct. Null head means the list is empty. What is the space complexity for deleting a linked list? Options are order of 1, order of n, order of n square, or none of the above. Option A is correct. Deleting a list can be done in order of 1 space. Which linked list operation takes order of 1 time? Options are insert at start, insert at end, find length, and none. Option A is correct. Inserting at the start is order of 1 operation. What is the space complexity needed to store a linked list of n nodes? Options are order of 1, order of n, order of n square, and none of the above. Option B is correct. Sorting n nodes requires order of n space. What is the time complexity of a program to reverse a linked list? Options are order of n, order of 1, order of n square, and none of the above. Option A is correct. Reversing a list is a linear order of n operation. What is the time complexity of adding two numbers as a linked list? Options are given below. Option A is correct. Adding two linked list number is order of max of nm. Time complexity to insert an element at the front. Options are order of n, order of 1, order of log n, and none of the above. Option D is correct. Inserting at head takes order of 1 time. Which condition confirms that a singly linked list has a cycle? Options are last node's next is null, a node appears twice in traversal, a fast and slow pointer meet, and traversal end without issue. Option C is correct. The flood cycle detection algorithm detects a cycle when two pointers moving at different speed meet. Concatenation of two linked lists takes time complexity of options are order of 1, order of n, order of 1 if address of last node is known, and none of the above. Option C is correct. If last node is known, concatenation takes order of 1. Insertion at end of a linked list requires modifying how many pointers? Options are 2, 1, 3, and 4. Option B is correct. Inserting at ends requires modifying one pointer. Insertion in the middle of the linked list requires modifying how many pointers? Options are 2, 1, 3, and 4. Option A is correct. Inserting in the middle modifies two pointers. In a circular doubly linked list, how many null pointers exist? Options are 0, 1, 2, and n. Option A is correct. Circular doubly linked list has 0 null pointers. Best case time complexity to search an element in singly linked list. Options are order of n, order of log n, order of 1, and order of n square. Option C is correct. Best case search time is order of 1. Time complexity to search element in single linked list. Options are order of 1, order of n, order of log n, and order of n log n. Option B is correct. Searching in a linked list takes order of n time. In circular singly linked list, the last node points to options are null, itself, head, and random node. Option C is correct. Last node in circular list points to head. A doubly linked list can be traversed. Options are only forward, only backward, both direction, and none. Option C is correct. Doubly linked list allow traversal in both direction. In doubly linked list, deleting a node requires adjusting. Options are previous node's pointer, next node's pointer, both A and B, and only data. Option C is correct. Deleting a node adjusts both next and previous pointers. Which operation is easier in doubly linked list than singly? Options are traversing forward, traversing backward, inserting at head, and none. Option B is correct. Traversing backward is easier in doubly linked list. Each node in a doubly linked list contain options are data and 1 pointer, data and 2 pointers, only data, and data and 3 pointers. Option B is correct. Doubly linked list node contain data and 2 pointers. How many null pointers in non-empty singly linked list with n nodes? Options are 0, 1, n, and n-1. Option B is correct. Only one null pointer in a non-empty singly linked list. To delete a node from singly linked list, we need access to options are only node to delete, previous node, first node, and last node. Option B is correct. Deletion needs access to the previous node. What is required to reverse a singly linked list? Options are stack, recursion, iteration, and any of the above. Option D is correct. Any of stack, recursion, or iteration can reverse a list. Correct way to find the middle of a linked list. Options are count nodes and divided by 2, use 2 pointers, use recursion, and use stack. Option B is correct. 2 pointer method is the most efficient to find the middle. Most efficient way to reverse a doubly linked list. Options are recursively, iteratively by swapping next and previous, using stack, and using queue. Option B is correct. Swap next and previous iteratively to reverse a doubly list. Best method to detect intersection of two singly linked lists. Options are compare each node, use hashing, use 2 pointers with length difference, and use recursion. Option C is correct. 2 pointers with length difference is efficient for intersection. What does the following C code outputs? Options are 10, 20, null, and compilation error. Option B is correct. Output is 20 as A.next points to B. What is the output of the following code? Options are 1, 2, 3, 3, 2, 1, 1, 2, and error. Option A is correct. Output is 1, 2, 3. What is the issue in this code? Options are nothing wrong, infinite loop, memory leak, and doesn't move to next node. Option D is correct. Head is not moved, causing incorrect behavior. What does this code do? Options are base case for recursion, error handling, infinite loop prevention, and tail insertion. Option A is correct. The condition checks for the base case in recursion. Thanks for watching. Comment your score below and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to EasyByte. Till then, keep learning and keep exploring.